It's Beck,
It's Tam.
and welcome to Glam with Beck and Tamm.
Yes, we are doing the second unboxing of BoxyCharm today. And good news is it came. Bad news is, could you pass me the box that we got first?
No.
I need to show a comparison. When we first ordered, we got this amazingly huge box filled with gifts and blah, blah, blah. We didn't upgrade, right? Mm-hmm. And then we got this little box. And I don't know if you can see the difference, but like, really?
Box, second box, first box.
Half the size. Not to mention, I'm going to be trying a new one because I canceled this. Because they took my money on the 1st, and we didn't get this till the 31st.
Not to mention that.
30 days? Like,
Not to mention that, but the first one was an expedited parcel.
yes.
The second one was not. And then
And look at how beat up this thing is.
then the second one came with the write-up of everything on the front of it. So it's like not even a surprise box anymore.
We didn't read it though. I don't want to know. I want to be surprised when you guys be surprised. But do know, we're going to be doing other ones. We've got a Disney one we're going to apply to. We've got
There's another FX makeup one that we're going to do.
That does wigs too. And then I'm going to, so there's 2 other ones I'm going to try. And there's a couple ones Beck's going to try. Yeah. And we'll go from there. But here we are. And just, by the way, for anybody that's new, welcome to the Glam fam. If you like us, subscribe. If you watch us and have fun, yay, hit the like button. And just a reminder, this is a mom and daughter team. I'm her mom. She's my daughter. And we do this for fun and the love of makeup and fashion and beauty.
And to not kill each other through quarantine.
We're doing fun. So, she's the one with the box cutter.
Yeah, but
you want to start us?
It's your box. So.
It's my box? Okay.
Cutty.
Here we go. Wish me luck. I don't want to look at what they tell you what comes in it, so I just want to do that. Oh, okay, so I'll put it to the side. Do you want to pick out the first item, Becky?
Sure, I'll protect our stabber, and then...
Thank you. Our stabber needs protection.
First item, let's grab a small box. All right. Ooh, Eloise from the same palette we got last time.
Oh, yes.
It is a Get Lit metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, we tried one of those recently, and it was interesting.
Well, okay.
Pure gold.
It looks beautiful. We can open it up and take a look. Well, I'd like to just discuss this metallic foil thing. One of the reasons we wanted to do this makeup is to show that older women, I'm 55 years old, and to be honest, I'm proud of that. I don't look damn bad for 55. Now, one thing is fat don't crack. The other thing is I've always done skincare all my life. It didn't matter if I was drunk, if I was sick, if I was whatever. I did skincare. So for being 55, I feel I look good. But I do use a lot, if not all, of the same products that Becky does at the age of 25. So there's a 30-year difference here. And women my age, I notice, kind of give up on the makeup thing, and they think that they can't do what they used to. Well, you can. You can, and it can look good. It may not look the same.
Oh.
Now,
this comes in like a
nail polish
box.
That looks pretty.
Yeah, Eloise on it.
Gonna do a swatch on your hand?
I could, sure.
So here's the deal. Some of the liquid stuff makes my eyes look old, cakey. I don't know.
It could just depend on the formula and the brand.
Wow.
But the first one we've tried.
Oh, that's really pretty. Should I try some on my eye and just see?
No, there is it.
That's
just the
pretty.
normal swatch, and then blended it out a little bit.
Yeah, here. Will you want to turn that light off, maybe?
No, it gets it in different lights. You just gotta work with it.
Okay.
So it can go up to that very thick level, or it can be dispersed into that.
Well, I'm really liking that. That's unique. It's something I probably would not normally buy. I just want to try and show you guys.
And gold's the color you like.
There. Or can we see it so it's not so glary? There. There. That's better. Maybe try turn that light off and see.
No.
No?
Nope.
Okay, she says no.
I already did the testy thing.
She did the testy thing. Okay, that's number 1.
Alright.
Now I pick. I'm picking... Oh, Elemis, Elemis, Glow Priming Moisturizer. Oh, another kombucha. Kombucha is the key. We got this one last time. I'm just going to hold that up.
That doesn't have kombucha in it.
That's a mushroom. Oh, snow mushroom. Okay, it's not kombucha.
Kombucha is different. I don't know what
mushroom. What scares you?
Kombucha scares me. I refuse to use it. I'm not,
Okay, well, it's got we're not eating this, people. It's got kombucha, ginger, and prebiotic. Like, now we're putting yogurt on our face.
For your face, yeah.
Apparently. So that's the little bottle that it comes in.
Or the box.
Or the box, sorry. And let's take a look. Oh, it's got directions. The bottle's kind of ugly.
It's Asian.
Okay. Well, maybe they know stuff.
They do know sometimes.
That's the bottle. And, let's see what it looks and smells. Let me smell
natural
it.
fragrance.
Oh, it's got a neat little top. Let's put a little on my... Oh, it's colored or something. And I'm rubbing it. Oh, I forgot to show you.
It says British brand.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It smells clean, and it doesn't really do much that I can see. But, anywho.
Apply every morning to cleanse skin.
It's a cleanser?
Do not eat. No.
Oh.
Apply to cleanse
To clean.
skin.
Oh, I see. To clean skin. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
You never know. Don't eat. They have to tell you that because it sounds like food.
Leave skin with a dewy, hydrated glow.
Well, feel that hand. Feel that hand. That's dewy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite nice. I don't know. You probably can't. I got old hands. Not bad face. Old frickin' hands. So we don't show them too often.
Right,
your turn.
My turn. Windy. I guess we're picking this one.
Ooh.
We got a
Huda
Beauty Ruby Obsessions.
That looks pretty. When you have every palette, I'll tell you, it's hard to get a new color.
Well, you start looking for select colors in the palette.
You do. Oh. Bad. This is bad. We told you the box was beat up.
She gets excited about badness.
Shit.
So, first open, didn't even touch the palette or the colors. I just opened it. And
yeah, BoxyCharm, that sucks.
Crushed.
Yep. And those are the one colors I probably would have liked.
I know. Does have nice mattes and stuff.
Oh, the mattes are okay. But you know what? I got a better palette for Christmas. I'll show you.
You're welcome.
I got this palette, the Moira Glow and Glam, and I'm going to show you the colors in that one. I know it's not in the thing, but you guys got to see this. Look. See? It has all those colors and then some, and it is amazing. It's what I'm wearing today. I love it. And for older skin, okay, we were just talking about this when I was talking about the shimmers. Sometimes for older eyes, if you put a shimmer on, it makes it go kind of cakey and crackly. It looks older skin than it is. These shimmers are so fine that it doesn't do that. It's just really, really pretty, really easy to work with, and very pigmented. So I am going to give a big freaking shout out to Moira. And I'm telling you, if you see these palettes anywhere, they're worth every dime.
We picked them up at London Drugs.
London Drugs, yep.
Now the sad thing about this and the Huda Beauty palette is normally you could probably send it back and get a non-squished one. But with how freaking long it took for that box to get here, I've heard also that sometimes you get different ones. So you send it back, you don't even get the product you wanted back. So it's not worth it to dick around and try and get the right one.
No. Okay, I'm going to grab, what do we got left? We got foam, which should have kept it nice. We got 2 other items. So they gave us an extra. Okay. Oh!
Glam.
We got Glamnetic lashes, which, by the way, we're kind of into right now.
She wanted to try them, but they were too expensive.
The Glamnetic was. Bella. Okay.
I wonder if they're...
What?
It should be magnetic, right?
No. Oh, yes, they are. Our magnetic lash down to fit eye with apply magnetic liner.
I hope it comes with a magnetic liner.
Line where lashes will adhere. Okay, well, let's take a look because we're going to open it up and look. If you only get half the product, like what fun... And, yeah. What fun is that?
Because they're assuming you already have the Glamnetic.
No, we don't have. Oh, wait, no. It comes with the liner. See the liners right there?
No, that's just for it to keep in the case.
No, I think that's the
I
one.
looked at Glamnetic.
Really?
Yeah, and their cases come with that specific strip. So
Our
it keeps them
magnetic
nice.
lash down to the fit eye width. Apply magnetic liner
Yes,
on.
liner.
That's the liner.
That's not the liner. That's the stuck there.
Are you sure?
100%.
Adhere lash to magnetic liner.
You know, memento while we argue.
He was right.
And we're back.
I am wrong.
Thank you. I love those words.
I don't say them often.
But again, shit on BoxyCharm. If there isn't a
Yeah.
liner in here,
Yeah.
if there isn't a liner in this box,
Maybe
crap on
that's-
them. Because
yeah.
why would they give you something super expensive that you can't even fully use?
Unless you pay more.
And the big thing is I know with Glamnetic, is you're supposed to use the Glamnetic liner with it, not some other liner, because they're specifically formulated for them. So you'd have to use one, which they're like expensive.
Well, I do have, albeit, magnetic liner. I will
Not
try.
Glamnetic liner. Though.
No, it's not glamnetic, blah, 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 glamnetic liner. But I'm going to give it a go, you know, at some point here. Okay,
We'll work with it.
last item out of the box.
There's two.
Is there two?
There's two. There's two others.
Really?
Thought we're not looking, Miss Looky.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 already. They gave us extra.
So this is the matte lipstick from MAC.
Ooh, I like it. It's a cocoa color. It looks like.
Good.
What's the color?
Whirl.
Whirl. Like that gives you any indication of what color it is.
Kind of coffee or
it's a whirl.
matcha
Like
or
what color's a whirl?
whatever color the water that's whirling is.
Ew.
I know they don't look the best. They're not.
Okay, that looks like a cocoa kind of. It's a brownie. Here, let's see if I can put it on.
You have lipstick on though.
I don't. Okay, you don't.
No.
Okay, you try that. Try it on, Lippy. Oh, it looks good. Is it creamy?
Mm-hmm.
Creamy's good. Oh, it's quite nice, actually. It's your color, that's for sure. Okay. Very nice. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah, I don't mind it.
That looks really nice, actually.
It is. It's like a dark mauve kind of.
I'd say coffee or, well,
A dark coffee orange.
Okay, it's
Hard
nice.
to say, but
That's a good one. So there's one more item in here?
there's one right in there.
All right, final item, and it feels like the magnetic
It
liner.
better friggin' be is all I can say because that is expensive.
Magnetic, Glamnetic,
Yes!
magnetic liner.
1+ for them.
I feel bad now that I canceled them because they gave us a couple expensive items.
It took over a month to get here.
I know, but and it's beat up, and the eyeshadow's broken.
Exactly.
So
if we do this again
we may.
at some point after we're done doing the other
Anyway,
ones,
there's a little box.
I would go to the up one.
Oh,
Boxy Luxe.
the Boxy. That's too expensive, I felt.
Okay.
I mean, we're getting the Boxy Luxe anyway. We're getting 7 items. We're only supposed to get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I don't know how they did it.
6.
Well, you don't.
They're counting this as 1. I know they are.
Still, whatever. So there's the Glamnetic liner. And that's going to be fun to try. We'll give that a whirl next time. We are going to do a
Is
tutorial.
it in black?
Well, let's hope. Fuck. I mean, heck. It's black. Black magic, it's called.
His shit, motherfucker, tits.
Shut up. See? There's the mother-daughter thing. It's like, by the way, Happy New Year's, because that's what it is. And tonight we're going to be doing some drinkies and playing some games. So hopefully everybody wakes up in one piece in the morning.
Happy Year of the Bull.
With our eyelashes on. Yes, Happy Year of the Bull. And I don't know what that means. Woo, we're going to charge ahead into positive, happy things.
Or 2021's going to be like a bull in a china shop.
Whatever. 2021's got to be better than this shit. So, anyway, stay well. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening to our rants about the Boxy, whatever, charm.
The roller coaster ride BoxyCharm.
Yes, yes. And I got to say, they did send some very good products. So, you know, I'm going to give them a 7 out of 10. Is that fair?
10, yeah.
Okay. And we're going to try some other ones. We may go back to BoxyCharm again, but we are going to do some tutorials. We've talked about it. It's coming. But this is supposed to be fun for us. We're not doing it for money. We're not doing it for fame. We're doing it in case anybody out there is bored on the internet and wants to see what we find and maybe finds us humorous on some level.
Yeah.
So here's wishing everybody out there the most wonderful, fantabulous new year you could possibly imagine. Because you know what? You deserve it. And you know what? Becky doesn't have her Tim Hortons cup to end this. So, sayonara, everyone.
Sayonara and happy 2021.